Welcome to Misty Glaze, where replacing your failed double glazing is made simple and affordable. Have you noticed water, steam, condensation or white stains in the panes which won't come off no matter how hard you try to clean them? Then unfortunately, you're experiencing a failed double glazed unit. With Misty Glaze, you don't need to worry about replacing the frame. We only replace the glass unit in a simple, clean and affordable manner. The procedure is simple. At first, we will come to you and measure the Misty panel, analyse the structure and designs of the existing, then provide a full free, no obligation quotation for the glass panel. Within just 7 days, we will return to install the new glass. Each installation takes 10 to 30 minutes to complete, restoring your windows and doors with crystal clear views again. And of course, we'll take the old glass away with us to dispose of. We also provide repairs to window hinges, handles and locks, and can even upgrade your existing glass to our more energy efficient specification. Our main goal is simple: to save you money with a quick, hassle-free glass replacement that will restore your existing windows and doors. No job is too small for us at Misty Glaze, so give us a call today on 0208 504 9980 or visit our website www.mistyglaze.com.